Alright, we're at the lobby of 800 Bering. Look how beautiful this atrium is. Very 1970s looking. There's a staircase. Over here, we got some 1979 Westinghouse traction elevators according to ThyssenKrupp Elevator. Huge thanks to them for telling me about this. Let's ride, here we go. Ew, yuck. Atoms. Oh, they're traction. Oh, I wish I could have had the dinner bells. That would have been a lot more better. One. We're gonna get the other elevator car. Oracle's Fun Works, I love that. It seems like the cab is still original. Here are Adam's fixtures. We're gonna send this up and we'll capture the other car. Here's your phone. Look at that. California Code Compliant Innovation Call button. No worries, sir. Alright, let's get the left car. And here it is. These are very fast for 4 stories. I thought this would be completely original. Here's your call station right there. I want to show you the intermediate call station. When the Westie wants to close, the Westie will close. It just shut on me. I think we're going to begin the right one. Yep. Look at this up there. Your original Westinghouse interlock. Let's go down to an intermediate floor. We'll look at an intermediate station. Takes forever to level. See, this is your intermediate station right there. Look at that. Westinghouse AE call button. These were installed in 1979. All right, we'll go down to one end there. Hit something in the shaft. Button already went out. Stops with a bump. Oh my gosh, I didn't even level right. I almost tripped. All right, we'll watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.